you buy me some garage shelves.
Garage shelves. Off Amazon, Home Depot.
Yeah, I saw some on Amazon.
The baby's going to the doctor.
I'm just debating if I want to like actually like make my own shit, like go buy some wood. But I don't got no wood cutter.
So you want me to get you a wood cutter?
I don't know. Might be too much like work.
It is work.
I just buy the shelves off Amazon. Just
Alright, so first part of the day is dropping my Bubba's off at the doctor's, and we'll come back later and pick him up because I am going to get my hair done. I'm getting braids, yay. But he needed to come to the vet to get his vaccinations. He has to do an impromptu stay at the boarding place we take him to in a couple days, and then we are going on vacation. The whole reason we're having this maintenance vlog. So yeah, I am at the vet dropping him off, and then I am going to get my braids. So be back soon. You excited, Bubba's? You're gonna be here for a little while. That's okay. Yeah, guys.
Boom. Okay, and she cute.
And we're still not done. Almost done.
But we're
But do
almost
you see? I got purple braids.
Period.
We are almost done. It's giving so much already, though. I love it. I'm so excited.
Ew. Look at that. But right, dude, mind your business. Mind your business.
Mind your business. That's all. Just mind your business.
Man, who was that on? That was on
Fresh Prince. When Will Smith was teaching Ashley how to be tough.
Girl,
Mind your business. That's all. Just mind your business.
I shouldn't watch that much TV. It's
We be vibing.
and I be telling people about just the connection that you have with people. Sometimes, from the moment folks get in the door, we talking like I've known you all my damn life.
So St. Louis, if you're looking for a braider.
Okay.
Because we're vibey.
Yeah.
It's giving outside.
Girl,
I
where
love
you
it.
going?
We're going to the
Go
Bahamas
somewhere.
and Miami. The Bahamas first.
Yes. Yes, that is vibey.
Oh, I love it.
Put
Thank
a brow
you.
on, put a little chapstick, baby.
Yes.
All you need
Lashes
is a
and brows. That's all I'm
it.
going to be outside in. No makeup. Lashes
No
and
makeup,
brows,
because
honey.
it's too
Lashes
hot,
and
child.
brows.
Too hot. We ain't got time.
Thank
That's
you.
all you
It's so
need.
pretty.
You're very welcome. This is fire on you, okay?
That we will be getting today. I love my braids. We did the boho bob, added some purple in. If you guys are in the St. Louis area and want your hair braided and you're looking for a fantastic braider with a great vibe and personality, and she don't braid too tight where you can be flipping your head around like me, and right after it's done, or you can put it in a ponytail, let me know. I will link her website in the description in case you want to book with her if you're ever in the St. Louis area. So it's literally like 2 days later. Yes, 2 days later, I am about to wax my armpits. I actually just came back from European Wax Center and got a Brazilian. I also got my toes done a few days ago, but I did not record that because, I mean, we all know what toes look like when they get done, right? So yeah, they're white. They're cute. Maybe I'll show them to you in a moment. But right now, I am warming my wax up. This thing is so dirty. I got my camera set up nice. And by dirty, I mean just like covered in wax. But I need to clean all of that. But I got the wax beads in here. As you can see, I literally never take this bucket out. I got the wax beads in here and I got a whole lot in there. So I'm doing a heavy wax on my pits today because I'm about to expose myself. But it's been 2 months, 2 whole months, 60 whole days since I waxed my armpits because I ran out of wax and I just didn't get any more for a minute. And I kind of like to wax my armpits at the same time I get my Brazilian waxes. That way everything kind of aligns and grows back together, you know. So this is what the pits is looking like. Okay. Honestly, it's not that bad on camera. I thought it was gonna be worse. We are gonna get rid of this hair as soon as this wax warms up. I like to use cornstarch to prep with. First, I do have this like pre-wax treatment spray that's almost gone that I've been using for years, ever since I started waxing at home. And I just like to spray this first. It's kind of like a cleanser. Then go over that with a little bit of cornstarch. I mean, some people use baby powders. European Wax Center has their own type of powder that they use. I don't know what it is, but you know, we don't do the baby powder no more because of the talcum powder and all of that. So cornstarch, use your cornstarch. And once it's all done, I go over with this after wax treatment, which is basically just oil in a spray bottle. Oil dissolves hard wax, most hard waxes, I guess. So if you don't have like that, you can just probably use whatever oil you got at home to take off the wax. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and let everything warm up and I'll be back. I had like the perfect angle. I don't know why I moved it. That's fine. This is fine. This is fine. Yes, okay. So my wax is hot. Stop shaking. I'll wait. Don't worry. Okay, so my wax is hot. She is like literally like, I'm not gonna tip it over, but if you can see, it's like liquid right now. And it probably should cool down a little bit before I use it. I'm gonna start running my mouth and see if this has cooled down enough for me to be able to use it, and y'all can enjoy the process.
Hey, look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, huh? I'm in my bag, bitch, huh? I'm on your ass, bitch, huh? I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, huh? Bitch, I do pimp shit, huh? Oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. Know how I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Maggie. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, huh? I'm in my bag, bitch, huh? I'm on your ass, bitch, huh? I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, huh? Bitch, I do pimp shit, huh? Oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing by none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these tricks cause they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top, one flew in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Yo bitches birds and they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there, she know he be choosing. Fuck with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, huh? I'm in my bag, bitch, huh? I'm on your ass, bitch.
I mean, personally, this is some of the best wax I've ever used. And it's like, stretchy the whole time. The last wax I had came from Sally's, and it wasn't as good as this. Like, it's so good. I feel like it exfoliated the top layer of my skin as well. Like, to the point where I have a mole right here, and I feel like it took off the top layer of my mole. That's why I was looking at some of the pieces so crazy, because I was like, is that skin, bro? Like, yeah, but everything is clean. They look good. Now I am going to move on to doing my nails and lashes.